We're gonna start with the intro of this dance, which is 3 counts of 8, and we'll go ahead and demonstrate before we break it down. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So pretty simple. We're going to be starting off of the dance floor. We are starting on the left-hand side of the dance floor, but you can really come in from wherever. And the follower is going to actually be kind of bringing the leader onto the dance floor. And this will happen for the first whole count of 8. So followers, go ahead and take your leader's hand. For my leader, it's their right hand. My follower, it's the left. And followers, you can kind of walk in front of your leader and grab their hand and just kind of pull them onto the dance floor. This is supposed to be very natural, very easy. So you can kind of play around with it. And if you already are kind of starting on the dance floor, don't feel like you have to take a lot of steps. You can get into your dance frame a little bit sooner. And then the second set of 8, we're in our dance frame and we're ready to do our sways. So once the follower pulls the leader onto the dance floor, we're just going to get into a casual dance hold, and then we're going to sway. Leader on the left, follower on the right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll notice that we are rotating this clockwise. So leader, feel free to just rotate your partner around. Follower, let your leader take care of the rotating. And leader, you should end facing kind of the front of the dance floor, or even towards a little bit the right corner of the dance floor before we do our inside turn. And from here, after we do that second set of 8 where we're just swaying, we're doing a half basic to inside turn. And this is going to be exactly like the video that you saw. So we do our half basic, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, leader drops the left hand, we do our inside turn, 5, 6, 7, 8.